We've recently completed a 1970 Ford Mustang convertible restoration here at the V8 Speed and Resto Shop. This is a cool Mustang resto mod with a rich history and has been in the same family since the summer of 1972. It's powered by a Ford 302 V8 backed by a C4 automatic transmission and was equipped from the factory with air conditioning. Our customer drove the car often, as it was her first car back in 1972. Over the years, this 70 Mustang was driven by the next generation in the family until it was wrecked in 1993 and subsequently parked. It had not been driven since then, and we were happy to return it to the road. The V8 Speed and Resto Shop team disassembled the entire car and stripped all the paint to reveal the previous damage and rust repairs. The convertible Mustang was mounted on a fixture in our fabrication shop to keep the body structure supported and true, and then the sheet metal repairs began. The quarter panels, the rear tail panel, doors, and floors were all replaced with new steel. And while this car is restored to appear original, we modified a few aspects of the car for better drivability, reliability, performance, and more enjoyment. For example, we installed an upgraded front suspension system from Rod & Custom Engineering, which provides a tubular upper and lower control arm assembly. It also features an oversized sway bar and a rack and pinion steering unit for more precise control and modern Mustang road feel. Improved front disc brakes are also installed, along with all new plumbing and brake lines. Familiar looking but upsized 17-inch Magnum 500 wheels are wrapped in Bridgestone tires. The 302 small block Ford V8 was rebuilt and is now topped with a Phytec fuel injection system for modern-day reliability, also controlling the electronic distributor and ignition timing. And although this was an air conditioning car, we elected to install a more efficient AC system from Vintage Air. The front accessory drive is a black serpentine system from CVF Racing, complete with a high-flow water pump and higher output alternator. The color is very close to the original Ford medium bright blue, but it's been tweaked a bit, as preferred by the owner, for a bit more pop. And where the original paint was a single-stage blue, today's urethane two-stage base coat clear coat shines far more than the original finish ever did. The V8 Speed and Resto Shop interior shop rebuilt the stock buckets and the rear seat, upholstering them in the original white parchment hue, and a new black carpet covers the sound-deadened floor. The top frame and hydraulic system was restored, and we installed a new white convertible top. Fresh glass looks crisp and clean, and dozens of new trim pieces from Classic Industries make things new again inside. This family heirloom 1970 Mustang convertible is nicer looking and nicer to drive than it was when it rolled off the assembly line brand new. We at the V8 Speed and Resto Shop are honored to have the opportunity to bring it to a new level for many more years of family enjoyment. You can reach us at v8speedshop.com if you've got a classic or muscle car that could use some updates or other restoration attention.